guys? It's Toyojin. It's been a while since I made a video. I wrapped my car green, but today I'm going to be installing these new sequential side mirror running light things from AEM tuners. Basically, they just have a running light that's white, it stays on when you're driving, and obviously it's sequential turn signals. But yeah, let's get started. Alright, so I got these two pieces out, the armrest and the console for the windows. Oh, nail clipper. There's two silver screws, Phillips heads you gotta take out.
Mosquitoes coming from my ear.
Can you use some mosquito spray? And then I've kind of popped these a bit, but there's one more screw in where the door handle is. So you need to use your trim tool, just grab it, put it in between the lock, comes right off. So these are my old turn signal things, but the stock SSC should have that too, or whatever car you have that has the light right here. To plug, you just disconnect it. And okay, just pop this old one off. And throw this away because this thing is broken. So on this thing is gonna have two wires. The white one, I'm gonna show you the two animations. The white one, the light always stays on. The purple one, there's more animations, but it turns off after a few seconds.
I like the white one.
Okay, so now we gotta take off the mirror itself. The door here. There's gonna be, okay, let me just take off this door panel completely so it's not in the way for most of it. So there's gonna be this, oh, okay, I'm missing the rubber grommet here on this side. You're gonna take this off to access these three bolts in here to take off the mirror. So first I'm gonna disconnect this. That's for the mirror. And there's a 10mm. Where is it? Right there. Gotta take that off. And that's it. And there's a clip on the top, so it just comes right off. That's off. Now in here, whenever you rerun the purple and white wires from the mirror to the door panel, you gotta make sure the wires go behind this rod. That's where the window is. If you run it in front of the rod, the window's gonna hit it. But I have to undo this green tape because that's what goes through the mirror. Okay, there's gonna be 2 nuts in there and 1 nut here. You gotta be careful not to drop them. If you drop them, all you have to do is just unbolt the subwoofer, the sub on the bottom here, and just, the speaker or whatever. But yeah, the speaker, and there's like 4 10mm bolts you just gotta take out to get the nut that you dropped. But try not to, it's kinda annoying. That's 1. Two. And then 1 more in the small hole. You gotta make sure to hold on to the mirror in case it falls off. Okay, nuts out. I have to get the mirror off. It might take a little wiggling room, but it should come off easily, like that. That's it. Mirror's off. Alright, so now the mirror over here, you're gonna need a, let's see, I think it's this one. 9/16 wrench or ratchet or whatever, and just take off these 3 screws, and then you're gonna have to take the red tape off, and this Phillips head screw right here, that's like holding the wire like that. This plastic clip should come out. It's holding the wire. Then this rubber grommet will come off. Somewhere. It doesn't have to come off completely, just like this. So you can feed the wire through this hole right here. Just like that for the purple and white wires from the turn signal things. I'm gonna put this on now. It's just clip in place. Not that hard. Connect this first. Before you put this on, you might want to connect this black connector first, so it's easier. When I put this on, and if you don't see the turn signal working, all you have to do is just flip this connector, because you can't even tell which side is the correct side. But yeah. And that's it. It's on. Now you got these 2 wires. I'm still gonna feed it through all the way to the door panel, both of them, just in case. I don't want this wire just sitting here like that. So you feed the purple and white wire through this hole right here. He's gonna shove it in, and it should pop up all the way to this. The wire is pretty stiff, but it shouldn't be that hard. Okay, you should see one of the wires in here, and you just feed it through this hole. This white one's not going in. There's the white one. The purple one's right here. Okay. And then just feed it through this rubber hole right here. Yeah, and then just pull the rest of it. Should be good enough. Just leave some room just in case. I'm not gonna put on the mirror cap just yet, just in case the turn signal doesn't work. But that's pretty much it. Now you gotta put this rubber grommet back on. Just that clip. Okay. So again, you want to make sure that all three of your wires are behind this black rod. If not, your window's going to hit it. So the purple and white wires from the turn signal module, and then or whatever, and then the mirrors actual wire is behind the rod. Before I tape everything up and make it look neat, I'm gonna take these pins right here and just test the thing to make sure it works. So you want to make sure the car is on, so let me go do that. Alright, in the back over here, you can just, if you want to make it easier to look through, you can just disconnect the two connectors right here. I'm going to do that if I can. Okay, that's one. That's it. You just put this to the side. So for my driver door, I have it on the bigger connector. It's specifically the blue and purple wire. Yeah, it's Okay, this is a lot easier. It's gonna be, usually it's, for my car, it's the first connector. If it's up like that, it has a small blue stripe and the rest of the wire is purple. So I'm gonna take my, whichever one you want, you can just put it in there. All right, so this is the passenger side. On the driver's side, I use the very end for the power, but on this one I tested all of them, and the second to last one is what I could use for power for the running light. It's gonna be the let's see, it's just gray, I think. Yeah, it's just the gray cable, the second one right here. I know it has power because I'm using the purple one to plug into here. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the car off before I connect these wires. It's gonna tie right here, so I'm gonna kind of cut the tape right here so I have some room to play with. Right there. Okay, one more. Alright, so I'm gonna strip this gray wire right here, and then I'm gonna tie the white wire into it. I already stripped this white one right here. I can just tie it to that. Yeah, got that wire right here. It's showing. Okay, that one. Where's my, oh. Alright, so if I manage to tie the white wire from the Turk signal thing into the gray wire, so I'm just going to wrap it up with electrical tape, and that's pretty much it. Also, before you put everything back together, you want to make sure the wire from the mirror and the two wires from the Turk signal thing go behind the rod for the window. If not, the windows will just hit it and not go up. So I'm going to tape them right here, like that. So now that you know it's powered, it's fine. We're gonna put the nuts back on for the mirror to be secure. 10mm, 3 nuts. Alright guys, so this is for the lock. If these somehow manage to come off, you can just pop them back on, no problem. You need to remember to put these in, or else if you close your door and stuff, you get stuck in your car. So the green one goes on the bottom, I hope the camera catches this. You put the ball in the little socket on the bottom one, and this little ridge, it just slides in. So the ball first, and then that slides in. For the white one, it's on top. You gotta use your other hand and make sure you gotta unlock the little, the actual lock that you see, like, you know, like every time you unlock and lock, it turns. So you put your finger on that one. Same thing, ball on the socket, and then slide it in. Done. And then so feed this wire right here for the windows. Right, so after popping all the clips right here on the sides, it's just the same thing when you took it off. You got the armrest. And then you plug in the 2 connectors for the window and lock control. If you want, you can make sure they work. Alright. Before you put these on, where's that? You have these 2 screws to put back in. Then you want to pop this one back on first. That's it. Alright guys, that was pretty much for the install. Just try to get your wiring right. It's going to be different on both sides. You're just going to test which wire has power. It's usually, for me, it's what I showed you in the video. But yeah, they look great. It's a lot better than my old ones from eBay. But yeah, you can find them on AEM Tuners and use my code down below. And thank you for watching.